In this video, we'll learn what the Kanban board is and how to use it to see every deal you're working on and move it forward, all from one screen.
As your business grows, deals pile up, some waiting on a quote, some almost closed. And in a plain list, it's hard to see which is where, or which one hasn't moved in weeks. Here's a clearer way. A pipeline is the path a deal travels from first contact to closed, broken into stages. The Kanban board shows that pipeline as columns, one for each stage, with every deal as a card in the stage it's at. To open it, go to your deals and switch from the list to the Kanban view. Take a moment to read the board. Each column is one stage of your pipeline, in order from left to right, so the layout itself shows how work flows. Each card is one deal. Here's the catering contract for Riverside Cafe, sitting in the first stage, prospecting. And the number at the top of each column tells you how many deals are waiting in that stage, so a column that's filling up is showing you where to focus. Now the part that makes the board worth using, moving a deal forward. When the cafe asks for a proposal, you don't hunt for a status field, you just drag the card into the next stage. Watch. The Riverside Cafe deal moves out of prospecting and into the proposal stage, and the new stage is saved the moment you drop it. Nothing else to click, and nobody has to remember to update it. Moving a deal into a stage can also trigger automatic follow-ups, for example, a reminder or a message, and the automation video shows how to set that up. The board isn't only for deals. Any part of the CRM that moves through stages can use it. Your leads, for example. Open the Leads Kanban, and you get the same board, this time with a column for each lead status, so you can drag a new lead along as you qualify it, in exactly the same way. That's the Kanban board, your pipeline laid out as columns. Every deal a card you can see at a glance, and one drag to move it forward, so nothing sits forgotten between stages. That's it for this lesson. See you in the next video.